This time on Pole House Blackpot Weekend Getaways, we visit areas around Atlanta Conservation Area. And we visit 10 Mile Store. For supper, we're having white chicken chili. Stick around.
I think they're done, hon.
Take the next right onto State Highway AA, then you will arrive at your destination.
10 Mile Store. Where are we at?
Well, we looked up on the phone for attractions near Macon, and it said the 10 Mile Store, which is in a little bitty town of 10 Mile, which is basically nothing, I don't think. And it's a neat little country store that popped up, and it's got all kinds of stuff supposedly inside. So we're here at 10 Mile Store, and we're gonna check it out.
See, there's a chicken right over there. All right. Well, what'd you think of the 10 Mile Store, dear?
It's pretty neat. There's not a whole lot. I thought maybe they would be a lot more
Antique type
well,
stuff,
it was
like
more,
an antique
it had
mall?
more antiques store than anything else. I thought maybe it'd have more stuff as far as a country store, you know, some
food
and stuff like that. I think
It had dog food.
had dog
bird
food
seed.
and that kind of stuff, but I didn't see much else. But the prices on some of that
No, it
stuff
wasn't
was
bad
very
at all.
good. That little, those little stoves were
Yeah.
really cool, and we've got a few at home. And I thought they were always toys, and then I started investigating. Those little stoves, like that
Are
little
display,
queen,
aren't
they
they?
were displays from the original. So the salesman would take them little ones around. They had
And show
all the
'em to
accessories
everybody.
and show them to people. And as far as the real thing back in,
And couldn't they build fires in those and actually show them working?
I don't think they actually did in those models.
Okay.
But yeah, those are all scale.
Because they're all
scale
cast
models
iron and
of
everything.
wood burning stoves. So, or corn cobs. That's
Yeah.
that one cookbook you had. So, okay,
Right.
we're gonna head on to see what else we can find up near Macon.
All right. Bye.
All right, we're in Atlanta, little town. Not
There's
much
not
here
much
anymore.
here. There's a soda pop machine at the fire station.
This is one of them little towns that was small anyway, and then 63 bypassed it. Highway 63, that is. So what was left here is pretty much
Gone.
gone. So we're gonna go.
Looks like the closest place to go get anything would be Macon if you needed
go back
supplies.
south. And so we're gonna go. Where are we going to try
It's
to check
called
out?
Hidden Hollow Conservation Area.
Okay, we're gonna see what it's like for maybe a future camp area. So, all right, we're on our way.
Take the next right onto South Kendall Street.
The only way to go, lady. There's a twain.
In 800 feet, turn right onto South Santa Fe Street.
We're gonna have to wait for the train. Look at them old vehicles. That's so cute. Oh wow. Not much left of it now, is there?
Take the second right onto South Santa Fe Street.
what do you think, hon?
I'm thinking maybe this would be just a good place to come if you were traveling somewhere and needed some place to park and sleep. They seem to be just parking lot area camping. So,
Yeah, it seems like we've had
although it doesn't say camping, so I was going to look it up and see.
on the map, though, wasn't it? Showing them.
Yes, it did show it on the map.
Online
Yes,
map
there is
shows
camping,
us camping
here.
allowed, but really doesn't say that there's camping on the sign. So,
Well, if you're camping here, you're probably camping at your own risk, and you be assured there'll be a ranger come knock on your door if you ain't supposed to be camping here.
yeah. So, not a lot of designated spots, even though they're on the map.
There's 3 parking camping areas.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
unfortunately, it's not like Rudolph Bennett, but
Yeah, Rudolph Bennett's definitely
about the best.
one of the best around. So, okay, I think we're going to head back to camp then. All right, for Saturday night supper, since it's still spring, it's actually cool. Cloudy.
It's cold.
We're-
I'm cold.
So we're gonna make a not so heavy dish, but running winds today. Because of this, not winter time, we normally do regular chili, but this time we're gonna do a white chicken chili. So let's get started, Angel.
Pull that out. You need something to stir it.
Yeah, the wind today is pretty rough.
Terrible.
Start with a little bit of vegetable oil. Let that heat just a minute. Then we're gonna add some diced up chicken breast.
It's chasing us.
Let this cook a few minutes.
We need to salt and pepper it real quick.
All right. Sounds good.
Lovely prevailing winds.
So I'll get pepper.
No, I got the pepper. You get the salt. Okay, that'll work. Although the pepper don't want to pepper very much. That'll do her. Now, you probably should put white pepper in there. We didn't have it. Down here.
It's all right. And some salt. Okay. Don't want to add too much salt because it's got chicken stock in it, and that's always got quite a bit of sodium in it. So let this cook for a few minutes, and we'll come back with adding some more ingredients.
Yes.
Should I say something? Okay, now the chicken does not have to be completely done. It's kind of turned white. It's going to continue to cook. So, that's all right. You can do chopped onion, fresh onion. We're using dry
Yeah,
minced.
Angel forgot the onion. So we always carry minced onion with us.
It's always pretty handy.
Plus, I don't like onion.
And next item, it's garlic. And if you had fresh, that's even better yet. This works pretty handy too. Nice, healthy teaspoon. Let's see here. We added the salt and pepper to taste. Now we're going to add some cumin. And you can kind of do what you like. We're probably going to do about a good teaspoon.
Or more.
Okay. Now, let's see. We want to add the chilies yet?
Why don't you get the water in there?
Good cup of water. Give another real quick stir.
Now, our chicken broth is actually chicken bouillon now.
Yeah. That and that'll dissolve as it cooks.
Then you can put your green chilies
Green
in.
chilies. This is just a regular can of diced green
We
chilies.
prefer medium or hot, not mild, and yes, they do come in mild.
You can use whatever you like. We'll get a little bit more water when it sits out. Get all the yummy out of there. Green chilies are really good. For the most part, they're, like I say, average ones you buy in the grocery store in little cans are not extremely hot, not near as hot as even jalapenos. They have a nice amount of heat. Now we're kind of making a normal half batch of what we normally make at home. So we'll type up at the end, probably the end of the video, the recipe.
There's only 2 of us
So,
eating it,
yeah.
so you'll have to double it for
Yeah,
a bigger
we'll probably
batch.
do the whole recipe on the end or something like that.
No, we'll probably do the half
Half
recipe
recipe.
because that's what we're cooking.
Okay.
Now the Great Northerns, dear.
Andrew already popped the lid and drained them. Right.
Did I get them drained
There's
enough?
a little bit in there. Won't hurt them. Okay.
Now we get to put the lid on this.
Yep. And there's going to be only, what, 1 ingredient later?
2.
2 ingredients later. We'll get you them here in a minute. So I'm going to put the lid on. Probably going to cook at least a half hour. And then we'll be back.
All right.
All right. It's been cooking a good, we've been simmering along 45 minutes at least.
Looky there.
We've only got 2 ingredients left. That's what makes it the white part
Yes,
of
it is.
the quote chili. This wind blowing will hold that lid because we're not
Yes,
going
I
to use
will.
all of this. This is, I think, 16 ounce. We'll use about half of it.
Hand me that paper off of there.
Half. Okay. We'll add that in there. Oh. Lid. There we go.
Oh, that smells so good. And
This is
then
a pint, and we're going to do half of this. So we have about a half pint of whipping cream.
or heavy cream. They didn't have any helping
Helping cream, whipping cream.
heavy cream, so I got whipping cream.
About half. Stir this in real good. It's going to be a little clumpy until
That sour cream
that's,
gets broken
yeah,
up.
until it gets heated up.
And it looks pretty thin, but it will thicken up. as
Yeah,
that
it's
sour
always a
cream
little
gets up.
thicker than we normally like our regular red. My red chili I like a little thinner than this, but the white chili is okay to stick thinner, I think.
You like your red chili thick.
Yeah, a lot thicker than this.
Yes.
But the white's okay, a little thinner. Now, we'll put the lid back on. Maybe 10 minutes. Bring it back up to temp. Ooh, prevailing winds got me again. Making my eyes burn. Level it up a little bit. Lid back on.
Ooh, that smells good already.
All right, I think the chili's ready.
That's good. I'm hungry. Oh yeah, it looks yummy. Well, I'm hungry.
Yep, time to eat.
Yep. Oh, that's so good. It is, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Nice and light.
Got a little richness too with that cream.
Yeah, it does.
Whipping cream and the sour cream.
I think this wind has gotten us. We're both sniffling and sneezing.
Wind, whips around one way, and we're gonna eat this, and
And we'll probably pack up some stuff and go to bed.
yeah, we'll probably do finish up and see y'all in the morning.
Yep, I think we'll see you in the morning. You got the door?
Yep, the wind's still blowing.
Yeah, we gotta hold on to everything. Well,
So good morning.
we're not quite packed up. We aren't hooked up yet, but we are headed home. We've
Yeah,
had a good time here at Atlanta Long Branch Conservation Area.
it's been a good one.
Yeah, it
It's a
has.
good spot. It's like I say, it's the only thing we don't like is we don't have very good real designated camping areas.
Well,
Most
there's a
of them,
couple of
yeah.
them that are just gravel drives, but there's no fire pit, so you
Yeah.
have to bring your own fire pit.
Some of them are just
It
a
is-
parking lot.
It is just a place to come and park.
So-
There are no real amenities except for a vault toilet.
Yeah, but it's free. It's a free camping
Yeah, it
spot.
is.
So if you want to go boondocking, it's not.
And
it's
if you're
good.
going south or north on 63, it's a good place for you
Yeah,
to
we're
stop
only
if you need to.
a couple miles off the highway. So.
Yeah.
But so if you all know of any spots in around Missouri that are conservation boondocking areas that have real good designated camping sites,
Let us know.
yeah,
We'll go camping
yeah,
there.
that's right. So we still love Rudolph Bennett. We went last year. This is one of the best ones around. It
Yeah,
has
we love that
a
one.
bunch
It's close
of designated.
to home and
Yeah,
it has everything but picnic table.
yeah, fire pits and the whole bit, parking pads for campers and everything. So, yep, I think we're gonna pack up and see you all next week.
He agrees.
Thanks for
Whiny
watching. Okay, break. All right, left. Right. Okay, running. Okay, brakes are good.
If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you for watching.